There's nothing like chilling with my girls. Just me and my divas taking over the world. Divas. Hey, divas. Let me tell you now, D-I-V-A-S, divas.
Hey y'all, hey, it's your girl A. What's up, divas? What's up, divas? What's up, divos? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl A, and you already know I'm here to slay, or at least try to. What's up, you guys? I hope y'all all having like a really great day when you're watching this video. You know what I'm saying? Staying blessed, staying mindful, staying positive out the way, minding your daggone business, okay? Thank you for coming back to my channel. Thank you for joining me. Thank you for supporting my channel, showing love and all that good stuff, because I want to tell y'all, I truly appreciate you all. So today's video, y'all already know I rocks with them on a regular, okay? And they have the best of the best for less. Girl, who don't like the best of the best for less? Like with this economy, girl, the best of the best for less is definitely something that we need. And you know what I always say, I love me a good wig, but sometimes a good wig can cost you a pretty penny, but not what this company right here, because when I tell you the pink box always come through with the affordable for you, girl, trust me when I tell you, they have the best of the best for less, and you can get this wig on Amazon. You already know what I say about Amazon. Amazon Prime, get your wig on time, okay? Now this one is the pre-everything. I love when I don't have to do too much. So this one right here, she is 24 inches in length, so get a melting band. So this one right here is a 7x5. She does have like a little bit of a wispy bang. This wig is cute though. I like the texture in this though, okay? Look at the little coily ends though, okay? Like I said, this is a pre-everything. She's been bleached, the lace has been cut. This one also comes with those stay-on wig grips. I'm gonna call them everything but what they are called, because this keeps your wig from slipping back. Because girl, don't nobody want to be out there thinking they cute and their wig slipping back. That's not cute. As well as that, there's an adjustable strap in the nape that you can adjust a comb, and girl, the best of the best, the drawstring. So on that note, girl, let's put her on, because
Is there anybody who can help me? Help me. I don't think my heart is working lately. I can hear it calling for you. Yeah. You show me beauty and life. You put me first all the time. No wonder I'm on a high when I'm with you. Oh yeah. You like the things that I like. If you don't know, you always give it a try. No one can blame me for crying when I'm without you. Yeah. Know you got dreams of your own. Sure you got places to go, but I just want you alone. Oh yeah. I know it's hard to be you, all the things you need to do, but baby, it's hard for me too. Oh yeah. Mayday, is there anybody who can help me? I don't think my heart is working lately. I can hear it calling for you.
okay, y'all, first of all, I was not expecting this. Like, this is really actually cute. I'm not really sure if I would want to wear the bang all the time, but here's the good thing about that. It's not a lot of hair that was cut to create the bang. So if you get tired of wearing the bang, you could definitely just brush it up. I like this. Listen, this one took no work at all. Girl, you ain't got to put no hairspray. You ain't got to put no sideburns. You ain't got to put no gel or glue. Baby, you just put this one on and go out the door. Now, the texture on this one is something totally different. I love when UNICE sends me a textured wig. I love texture, okay? And this one, these curls are bomb as hell, okay? These curls are bomb as hell. Do y'all see these? Look at the definition of these curls, and I ain't even do anything. I only messed with the very front. I didn't even want to touch the rest of it because it just looks so flawless. Like, do y'all see how nice and full this is? And girl, you could just pick the spirals apart. I'm not like the hugest fan of the spirals or the finger coils. You could definitely put them back once you wash it or just do away with them altogether. But this wig is nice. Definitely giving me boho baddie. This wig is definitely a winner. Did she come out cute or what? Girl, this came out cute. I was really at first, I was so undecided, but then I kept looking at myself and I was like, girl, you look cute. The bang is not too thick, which is a plus because normally for me, I like my bang to be a whole lot fuller, but wispy bangs are in. Like, do y'all see how easy that was to put on? Girl, yes, this is perfect. Listen, Linda, listen. Yes, boo. This is definitely perfect, okay? And she's just so nice and full. Like, look how full she is. She's pretty. The curls are definitely doing what they're supposed to. I like that. Look at that. Really nice. This one is really, really nice. Listen, UNICE be coming through with the best of the best for less, girl. Who want to spend a whole lot on a wig? Like, it's just hair. You know what I'm saying? But if you want to look cute and you want a budget, you could definitely mess around with UNICE. When I tell you they have everything, they got bundles, they got wigs, they got ponytails, they got crochet hair. Girl, they got it all and it's affordable, okay? Tell y'all, I love me a good wig. If you're gonna do a wig, do it big because this is definitely doing it big. Let me show y'all the back real quick because I know y'all want to see that. So this is what she's looking like from the back. And yes, I did go ahead and use the drawstring. I did pull it as tight as it needed to be, 24 inches. And I know she probably looks a little bit short right now. And that's because of the curls are, you know, a little bit tighter, but I think she'll do. I think she'll definitely do. So on that note, if you stay to the end, leave me a pink heart down below. Make sure you rate, comment, subscribe, and thumbs the video up. I will leave everything for UNICE in the description box below. I love y'all. Stay diva and divalicious. Stay positive. Out the way. Mind your business. And I will see y'all in the next one.
So I can focus, I just need to focus.